Hi all, we are PTE for sure. We are providing complete training to successfully crack PTE Exam with your desired score. We will provide you tips and tricks to get 65 and 79 in PTE. After enrolling, our course's material would be provided online. For more information, kindly contact through WhatsApp or other details mentioned in the video.
Castle was designated to intimidate both local people and the enemies. Castle was designated to intimidate both local people and the enemies. The stock market redesigned the market throughout the world. The stock market redesigned the market throughout the world.
Being bilingual is not necessarily having the ability to analyze the language. Being bilingual is not necessarily having the ability to analyze the language.
Journalism faces the crises in the light of the digital revolution. Journalism faces the crises in the light of the digital revolution.
A series of lectures showed us in economics has been recorded. A series of lectures showed us in economics has been recorded.
Social psychology has been considered by human behavior. Social psychology has been considered by human behavior.
The purity of gold makes it expensive. The purity of gold makes it expensive.
The research has produced some other unexpected results. The research has produced some other unexpected results.
His appointment as culture minister was seen as demotion. His appointment as culture minister was seen as demotion.
Food has become a political issue in the world. Food has become a political issue in the world.
Banks charge interests for money they loan their customers. Banks charge interests for money they loan their customers.
Student shop has a range of stationeries. Student shop has a range of stationeries.
Speed is defined as how fast a person or an object moves. Speed is defined as how fast a person or an object moves. Our facilities include 5 items in the university. Our facilities include 5 items in the university. The opening hours of the library are reduced during summer. The opening hours of the library are reduced during summer.
If you like our video, kindly subscribe our channel and also press the below bell icon. Thank you.